Welcome to the National Trust for Scotland 360-degree Trailblazer working holiday experience. My name's Fraser and I'm one of the rangers based at Ardess Lodge on the east side of Loch Lomond. Trailblazer camps are a great way to explore Scotland's beauty and rich cultural history, as well as enabling you to put something back in the way of practical conservation work. This year's Trailblazers spent a couple of days on valuable mountain footpath repair work before heading off to Ardroy Outdoor Education Centre on the west coast for a day of sea kayaking and gorge walking.
Everything's food sector. But hey, midges are great, aren't they? It shows you what it's like not to be top of the food chain for once.
Next we had a day of blanket bog restoration in store for them, to help them get closer to nature, whilst again undertaking valuable conservation work. It's not just hard graft though. As part of the Trailblazer, you will undertake a John Muir Discovery Award. So we will be doing our best to pass on information about the archaeology and long social history at Ben Lomond.
All over Ben Lomond, up every burn, there's shielings, which are just small temporary dwellings.
Yeah. Oh, well done. He's definitely got something.
Come spend a week in the heart of the Oakwood. It's a stronghold for many threatened native species. The conservation work taking place on Ben Lomond is improving the habitats for native wildlife. Come lend a hand.